Alright guys, welcome back. It's pizza time tonight. Not just any pizza, we're doing a taco pizza. You know, I've done a lot of taco pizzas that I've never done this one. I found one on Pinterest. You know I love Pinterest. This one comes from the CulinaryHill.com. And it's a little different from anything I've done before. It's still taco pizza, but I'm gonna bring you along while I do this one. Let's get going. Alright guys, you know I don't do pizza dough. I'm working on it. I am learning this process. But I am using the Jiffy Pizza Crust mix, and I got it back here rising right behind me. Should be ready by the time all of this is done. I'm gonna start with our meat sauce. Just some it's a 90-10 ground sirloin. Should be delicious in this. Just for a little added kick. A little of my fajita seasoning. Alright guys, this is all browned up. Got a few juices in here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this drained off and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, you know me, never too fancy. I'm just using this old El Paso taco seasoning. I got a 1/4 cup as the directions. And just 2/3 cup of water. I'm gonna bring this up to a boil and let her simmer out. Alright guys, we got this back cooked up. I'm gonna set it off to the side and go to our next step. Alright guys, forgot to turn the camera on. I've taken a whole can of refried beans and I've just mixed it with about 3/4 of a cup of chunky salsa. That's paste sauce, is that how you say that? Just mild sauce. And I'm just mixing it all together, and that's gonna be our sauce for this pizza. And we're gonna set that to the side. No, I'm no expert on dough, but that's all right, we're gonna get this done. I need Red here to coach me on this dough. He'll teach me a thing or two on pizza dough. Alright, get this on the pan. I don't think I'm going quite as big. I don't want this to be too thin a crust. It's a 15-inch pizza pan. Let's see how close we can get without damaging our crust. I'm not gonna try to make a fancy crust out of it, but we're gonna get out to the ends because it will shrink up a little. I forget the name of Red's channels. Red's Pizza and Barbecue. I'll put a link below. Great channel guys, go check him out. If you haven't already, subscribe to him. He is an expert on pizza. Great channel guys, go check him out. Let's go in with our topping. Oh, how neat that can be, but we're gonna try. It ain't that pretty, but you know what? You can't taste pretty, folks. Next up, we got our taco meat. Pan ain't wanting to stay still. Let's try a different method here. It's all going on, it don't matter. We'll make this work. Don't look too bad. Alright guys, and the recipe calls for just some crushed tortilla chips all over. This is that base, the refried beans and salsa is what I had not seen before, and I've never put this on pre-cooking, so I'm anxious to try this out. Hey guys, and I just got some Mexican 4 cheese shredded here. I'm just gonna go over the whole thing. I promise I'm trying to work in some kettle cooking too. I miss not being outdoors cooking. I cook outside all the time, year round, but it's awfully hard to video in the dark. Let's get this thing in the oven. Alright guys, let's see if we can get this off of here. Would you look at there? Taco pizza. We're gonna try to drizzle some taco sauce all over this thing. Just a mild sauce. Not getting too crazy tonight. Guys, we got shredded lettuce. My beautiful wife was so nice and kind to shred up for me. You can have a taco of lettuce and not have some tomatoes. This is looking too good, guys. If you could smell this too. Alright guys, let's get this cut up. Cut this bad boy up. Let's give me a little taster slice here. Towards the center, it's not quite as crusty there, but that's alright. We're gonna make this work. And what's a good supreme taco pizza without, let's see if I can do this. A little sour cream. Get off there, get off there, get off there. Alright guys. I don't know if I can hold this. No, I'm not. I'm gonna have to bite it with the fork. I'm gonna call that, I'm not calling this a fail yet. I base it on flavor. I'm going in for another bite. Guys, you gotta try this. I've never used the salsa and refried beans as the topping before, or as the base layer. But I'll tell you what, that's what made this recipe. Taco Meat done it hundreds of times, great taco pizza, but that really set this off. I'm gonna show you one more thing that I learned tonight. As a bonus, remember that refried bean and salsa mixture I did as a topping? I had some left over. Take the Tostito chip. It is fabulous. My lovely wife cued me in on that. That's great, guys. Folks, thank you so much. Having to do a few videos indoors because it's getting dark so early. And I can't seem to meet the schedule for cooking in the daylight. So my next video I got a plan. I think we're gonna work it out. I'm gonna do the outdoor part and then we're gonna do a crock pot on the inside. We're gonna work it out. But guys, thanks so much for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And that bell over there will notify you every time I post a video. So guys, thank you so much. We will see you on the next video. God love you folks. Bye-bye.